Human dog beds, also known as pet-friendly or orthopedic dog beds, are designed to provide comfort and support for both dogs and their owners. These specialized beds offer a luxurious and cozy sleeping space that ensures a good night's rest for your furry friend while seamlessly blending into your home decor. Constructed with high-quality materials, human dog beds typically feature memory foam or orthopedic foam cores to alleviate joint pain and promote better posture for your pet. Their stylish designs and washable, durable covers make them a practical addition to any room. These beds cater to various dog sizes and breeds, ensuring that your canine companion gets the right fit and support. Some models even come with built-in heating or cooling features to maintain an ideal temperature for your pet. In summary, human dog beds are the perfect fusion of style, comfort, and functionality, offering a dedicated space for your pet to relax while complementing your home's aesthetics. Hello! Discover our exclusive platform for thorough human dog bed reviews. Stay informed with in-depth evaluations of premium models and access expert advice for making informed decisions among the top market choices. LITA, a well-established and renowned brand, has secured a remarkable 5th place in our rankings, affirming the reliability of our evaluation methods. This human dog bed boasts ultra-soft luxurious faux fur material, providing an exceptionally comfortable and skin-friendly sleeping surface. Its extra-large beanbag design offers ample space for your furry friend to stretch out and unwind. The bed's edges and bottom are filled with highly elastic sponge, ensuring a plush and thick cushion for leaning against. The large beanbag dog bed is thoughtfully designed with ergonomics in mind, offering optimal support. Its modern and stylish design effortlessly complements any home decor, and the raised rim provides a sense of security while offering excellent neck and head support. The anti-slip PVC fabric bottom enhances stability and security during rest. Moreover, this giant human beanbag bed comes with a convenient handle, making it lightweight and easy to transport from room to room or on road trips. It even includes a blanket for added comfort. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply remove the vacuum packing bag and allow it to expand, giving it a good tap and shake for full fluffiness. The removable cover is machine washable and quick-drying, ensuring easy maintenance. LITA's human dog bed is a top-notch choice for both style and comfort. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Ranked 4th in our lineup, Cttasty, a brand celebrated for its unwavering commitment to a distinguished reputation, shines in the realm of human dog beds. Elevate your and your furry companion's slumber with our human dog bed, boasting generous dimensions of 70.9 by 35.4 by 11.8 inches. This sizable dog bed isn't just for your pet, it's perfect for human lounging too. Whether you're reading, watching TV, or simply unwinding, this human dog bed offers an ideal shared space. Crafted from top-tier materials, our bed features silky smooth short plush that's not only robust but also exudes a lavish tactile experience. The high-density foam filling ensures enduring support, retaining its shape over extended use. We've enhanced the zipper for a smoother operation. But this isn't your typical dog bed, it's a versatile piece that effortlessly transforms into a large beanbag bed or an adult nap haven. Equipped with a handy handle, it's easily transportable for outdoor adventures or park picnics. Its sleek and stylish design seamlessly complements your home decor. The removable, machine-washable cover simplifies upkeep, and the waterproof lining prevents spills or accidents from penetrating the mattress. Cttasty's human dog bed combines functionality, aesthetics, and quality for an unparalleled sleep experience. Ranked 3rd in our selection, the DOGKE human dog bed distinguishes itself with compelling features. Going beyond the conventional pet bed concept, it offers a high-quality sleeping space for both humans and dogs, prioritizing comfort and relaxation. The bed employs top-tier memory high-stretch foam that provides a soft and comfortable surface for relaxation, effectively alleviating stress and anxiety. Measuring 72 inches by 48 inches by 10 inches, this large dog bed accommodates not only your pet but also adults, creating a cozy space for shared rest and play. Crafted from luxurious short plush fabric and 260G high-quality PV fleece, it delivers a soft and skin-friendly feel while remaining breathable for extended use. Its versatility allows it to serve as a nap spot, and the side carry handle facilitates easy relocation to your office, bedroom, living room, or outdoor spaces. The human dog bed is constructed with high-density foam, offering a balance of softness and support. Raised edges provide excellent neck and head support, while the eggshell wave shape conforms to the body's contours for a personalized, cushioned experience. This ergonomic design helps relieve shoulder and neck pain, leg and back discomfort, and reduces stress and anxiety. For durability and safety, the DOGKE Human Dog Bed incorporates 100 grams of full polyester waterproof drip plastic cloth, ensuring an anti-slip and waterproof surface. The bed cover is easily removable and machine washable, simplifying maintenance. DOGKE's commitment to quality and comfort makes it a standout choice for a human dog bed. Earning an impressive second place in our prestigious selection, WROS introduces a revolutionary human dog bed characterized by its innovative design. This human dog bed offers a unique way to enhance relaxation and nap time, even accommodating both you and your furry companion simultaneously within its generous 71x 45-inch dimensions. The oversized surround and thick bolster create a cozy haven akin to a comforting embrace, where you can nestle your hands and feet for a warm and tranquil experience. This design effectively alleviates anxiety, providing a sense of security. Crafted with premium faux fur plush for the bed cover, this material is not only soft but also warm, breathable, and highly durable. WROS has considered your convenience by incorporating a side storage pocket for small items and providing a strap for easy storage of this extra-large dog bed. To ensure stability during use, the human dog bed features a non-slip rubber particle bottom. Additionally, your purchase includes a comprehensive package comprising the human dog bed, soft blanket, plump pillow, and durable strap. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply unzip the bed, remove the filler, and toss the bed cover into the washing machine for a gentle, low-temperature cleaning. It's important to avoid high-temperature cleaning or drying, and we recommend natural air drying to preserve its quality. WROS has redefined comfort and convenience with this outstanding human dog bed. Humbuava, perched at the pinnacle of our carefully curated collection, emerges as an unrivaled leader in the realm of human dog beds. This extraordinary large human dog bed reimagines conventional dog beds, creating a space dedicated to human comfort. With dimensions measuring an ample 72 inches by 48 inches by 10 inches, it accommodates not only one but multiple adults, offering a cozy retreat. Filled with high-resilience sponge, both the rim and bottom provide a plush and substantial surface for relaxation. Enveloped in sumptuous faux fur with premium fibers, it delivers a thick, warm, and skin-friendly experience akin to a mother's comforting embrace. The ultra-soft surface caters to both humans and pets, offering respite from the cold. It even includes a furry blanket to enhance your ultimate comfort during rest. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the raised rim imparts a sense of security and provides excellent neck and head support. The thick waved bottom foam prevents close contact with the ground and offers robust spine support. Tucking your hands and feet under the pillow border can further reduce stress and anxiety. Setting up the giant dog bed for humans is a breeze. Simply remove the vacuum packing bag and allow it to expand, ensuring it's fluffy with a gentle pat and shake before use. The cushion bed has a non-slip PVC fabric bottom, ensuring stability on any floor surface. The zippered fur cover is removable and machine washable for easy maintenance. This versatile human-use dog bed can enhance the decor of any room, serving as a napping bed or sleeping mat that provides not only warmth but also relaxation. The side-carrying handle facilitates easy transport to various locations, from the bedroom to the living room or even the office. Humbuava's human dog bed sets a new standard for comfort and convenience, redefining relaxation for both humans and their furry companions. We are immensely grateful for your crucial contributions to the evolution of human dog beds. Your unwavering support and invaluable insights drive our continuous innovation, playing an indispensable role in our journey's advancement. Your involvement is treasured and fundamental to our achievements.